Alright everybody, I finally got the pulling tractor running. It's not running as good as it was. I mean, well, it's running as good as it was, but it's still leaking a little oil and stuff, so it's a work in progress. That's what it looks like. It's just sitting there being good. There's a motor for you. Exhaust pipe. Leaking a little oil. Down there at the crankcase breather coming out of there. I fixed my oil pan, so I'll let it fire up for you. Got the tack on there. Runs all good. Alright, I'm gonna fire it up for you. Let you hear it. Some bitch.